This video covers what the scripts on the model do. You are not expected to change anything on the model, just understand what it does. The functions on the model are login request, get statistics, add new statistics, and set to categories. Login request is the same as that for topics 7 and 8. Get statistics takes the arguments database, user ID, place name, target month, and target year, and carries out an SQL select statement to try to find the statistics request. If found, the data is placed into an array, converted into JSON, and returned to the API, which will echo it back to the calling service. The next function is add new statistics. It calls the set to categories function and uses its reply to create a compound SQL insert statement that will add the crime data to the database. The set to categories function converts the received crime statistics into a set of values for the 13 categories of crime. Each crime type is received as an individual statement. This function sums the number of times each category is found in the data. The count is carried out on lines 158 to 181. The model's API has two familiar case statements on lines 19 and 22. They cater for login and get statistics. Note the data that the get statistics requires. The lower API switch statement caters for when the control wants to save crime statistical data. The JSON is in two parts. Part 0 contains the request, user ID, and place name, and Part 1 the crime statistics from the police API. You are not expected to modify this script here, just be able to follow its actions. Initially, you should start the system by clicking on the Start Reset Model menu button. This will start and populate the database. Return to Codio and select the Test API menu option. You should see the model's URL as usual. Test 1 tests the login process. Test 2 requests data from the model that is already there. Test 3 displays the data. Test 4 requests data that is not on the database, so has to be added. Finally, Test 5 displays the new data. This ends the activity.